extend, of course. You want to extend up to there?
There's no need.
Yeah, there is no need. Of course, if you want, you can extend, but the
To make
purpose
sure?
is, yes. Now, when I am taking perpendicular from here, you see, I don't know where the perpendicular is because my reference line is short, isn't it? So what you will do, you will extend it. Extend up to here, enter this line. Now, I am ready. So what I can do, I will take a line, you see, this is the perpendicular coming. So what I did is, I use one color line, green color for the upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for the lower, 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, I use this color. Is it clear? Now, we will measure the distance and transfer. So say we will go back to layer yellow, then I will say, where is the dimensions? Okay, dimensions, linear, from reference line to corner number 1. Measure, how much? This is 15.64. Now, dimension, linear, from reference line, this is the reference line, to corner number 2. This is 2. Dimension, same thing, from 1 to 6, shall I measure? No, because it is same as 1, so I will measure from here, 1 to 3. This is the dimension, third dimension. Now, dimension, linear, from 1 to 4, shall I measure? No, because it is same as 3, so 5. Okay? So by measuring these dimensions, 4 dimensions, 15.64 and whatever is 41 and 58, etc., I measured all the corners. Now I will transfer this distance with respect to this reference line. This is not the reference line, we just took it for perpendicularity. So you have to delete it. Now let us transfer this. How to transfer? What is the first line from reference line to corner number 1 is 15.64. So I will take a line, offset. What is the offset distance? 15.64. Enter. From here, draw. Fine. Now, this line, of course, it should be yellow, so I will just change it to layer yellow. I don't know why it is not taking by layer. Okay, take a line. What is the second offset distance? 41.64. So, from again measure from reference line, not from here. Be careful. From here to this. This is this. Then again, I will say, take an offset. How much? 58.64. Enter from reference line to this. Okay. Again, take an offset. How much? 34.64. Enter from reference line to this. Okay. Now, since this is the projection offset line, so I am just selecting it to make it yellow color. Although I selected a layer, but still it didn't count. This is just for resolution. Okay. Now, this line represent what is the distance from reference line to this? It means number 1, corner. So corner number 1 will come here, and this is the green line with the yellow line. They are meeting here. So this is our corner 1.
With the white one?
With the white, yes. So I will go with the white one. I will write here, corner 1.
Oh, this is the reference.
Oh, this is the reference. Yes, you are right. It is here. Just I am zooming, please try to follow. This will be. Now, corner number 6 is also at the same distance. This is the line for the 6. So what it should be here? 6. Isn't it?
Yes.
6. Now, because 1 and 6 is the same, the distance to 1 prime and 6 prime will be the same from the reference. So on the same line, you will have 1 prime. So where is 1 prime? You have to go here and see the line of 1 prime. This is 1 prime line, right? So here it will be 1 star or 1 prime, whatever you call it. Similarly, this is the 6. So 6 prime will be here. So I will say 6 star. Okay. We measured from the reference line the distance to corner number 1. In this particular case, number 1 and 6 are at the same distance, isn't it? So this is the distance from reference line to offset, whatever we have put 1 and 6, and 1 prime and 6 prime. Is this step clear or not understood anyone? Because the same step will go for all other points. If this one step is clear, the same it's a repetition. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 prime, 6 prime, like that. Is it? So it's easy. The same distances you have to transfer.
Since you draw it,
Yes. Now, what I will do, where is, you have to look at the line of the 3. 3 is here, isn't it? And what is the distance to corner number 3? You have to look from here. What is 3?
the last one.
Last one, 58. So 58 is here, isn't it? This is the last one. So it means that I will take the text and write corner number 3 is here. Here, this is corner number 3. This is very important that you number the corner and immediately name it so that you will not confuse. No, 3 and 4. Yes, 3 and 4 on the same line. So 3 is here. Where is 4? 4 is coming from here. Correct? So just put 4 here. 4. Okay, if the font is small, you can increase or decrease like that. And here on the same thing, you will have 3 prime and 4 prime. Isn't it? On the same line. So you have to write where it is. Like that. So what I have is, just let me show you. This is how all the points will get transferred. This, just I have drawn it for the other class. What happened is, because blue color is not visible here, so I will just change the colors, make it yellow. And maybe red color, I will change, okay. And red color, maybe this color.
This is the second one.
No, first one. Where is second? First one. So these are the lines that you have. Then this is the reference line. Now, if I just put off the layers, how the object looks like in the inclined surface, you see, this is what you have to shoot. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shall I zoom it? Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1, 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Isn't it? This is the upper surface of this plate. Now, the lower surface is here. Gentlemen, 1 prime to 2 prime, 2 prime to 3 prime, 3 prime to 4 prime. It is overlapping with solid line, so it goes. But 4 prime to 5 prime is a solid line. Why? Because it is outside. Isn't it? You can see it. So this is, and 5 prime to 6 prime you can see, and this is back. Now we are joining 2 to 2 prime to just give it a look complete. Why? Because every edge has a prime. It will join 2, 2 prime. There is edge 3, 3 prime. Isn't it? They will be joined together. So this is the complete auxiliary view of a inclined surface. So you have to show the reference line numbers correctly, and the shape and size should be correct. If this is out in terms of shape and size, you cannot get the real construction of the image. So this is first problem. Now, any question?
So you don't talk that dimension.
No dimension. Numbers are there, numbers, because we are not. See, dimensions are there in the layer. I just put it off. If you want, just if I open it, it will show. You see, they are here. It's here, but we don't. Okay. Now we will go to question number 2. Yes, Jamil. Now, how to start with this? Only starting point here is, first what we have to do, we have to slice it. Yani cut it with different line to give it numbers. So let's take layer yellow. From here to here, F8 should be on. This is my first one. Just join first the corners. This is the corner. Now this is the corner. Is there any other straight corner? No. And keep it in mind, this surface, what is given to you is symmetrical. So I can take this center line itself as a reference line. So with this, if I draw the bottom part, this part will become mirror image. So I will save my time. Now, for this curvature, how I will take the points? For example, here I can write corner number 1, and this is corner number 6, but I need 5 points in between. I am having it. So what I will do, I will use offset, say a distance of, I don't know, 8 or 9 or whatever, 8, enter. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then take one more here, maybe it's becoming all close, but it is a little more. Okay, like this. So we have got the numbers. Now I will go to layer 0, take text, say I am starting from here. So I will call it number 1. Okay, this corner number 2, number 3.